Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a playlist on Spotify. First of all you have to do is open Spotify application on your phone. Then you have to select your library option on the bottom right corner. Here you will see an option called Create Playlist. Tap on it. A throw-up window will appear. Here you will see two options, Playlist and Blend. You have to click on Playlist and then it will ask you give your playlist a name. You have to enter any name that you want of your playlist. For example, in today's video, I will name my playlist as Download. You can set any name and then click on Create. And then Spotify will show you some recommendations that you can use and add onto your new playlist. All you have to do is click on the plus icon in front of the track and the track will be added to your new playlist. Or you can also search and manually add tracks to your playlist. And your playlist is now created, and that's how you can create a playlist on Spotify. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe.